Part 4. Connecting with this Conscious Universe. Chapter 14. The Individual Nature of Universal Creation. Topics in this chapter: seeing life with a spiritual worldview, exploring the nature of universal creation, understanding where you fit into the bigger picture. In this chapter, I introduce you to one way of looking at the world with spiritual eyes. Many of the ideas in these pages come from an ancient spiritual science called Kashmir Shaivism, along with other traditions. The beginning of this chapter is a little more technical than other chapters in this book. It describes a theory of universal creation that can be helpful in expanding your awareness into new vistas of possibility with an inclusive view of the universe that makes logical sense and has a scientific flavor. Consider, as you move forward on your spiritual journey, check out religious and philosophical ideas that resonate with your understanding and interests, and bring those ideas and theories together with your own stream of inner wisdom to build an intelligent, individual, personal view of life that continues to grow and evolve.